No crying. All right. Okay. So this is my grandniece, Ellie Echo.
I know, Anna. Calm down.
Let's get some light on the subject. There we go. And she has no teeth yet, but man, she wants the cookie bag. Ooh, look at the cookies. Mmm. What? Whoa, look at, did you like the cookies?
Okay.
Are you doing the cookies? Yeah, you like cookies. Even though you can't eat them.
It's okay. It's not open.
Yeah, look at the cookies. Hey, she's sitting in her little bumbo seat or bimbo seat.
Bumbo? It's
Bumbo?
not bimbo.
It's not the bimbo seat?
No.
Oh, look, it's Bumbo. Come here, look it. Hey, Ellie.
Alara.
Alara, Ellie, Echo, baby.
Alara.
Alara, baby time, baby. Okay. What? You want food? What you doing? There's your cookies. We love cookies. Even though we can't eat them. What you doing?
Cheesy noodles.
She wants those cookies. What? What you doing? What are you looking at? Huh?
Restarting it. I kept restarting it to that.
Stop thinking about
All
it.
right.
I can't.
Jesus. I'm gonna be up all night with that kid going crazy. Here, baby. Oh, she likes food. Even though she isn't eating food yet, she wants it. But look, she loves the cookie bag. Right? Are you silly? You gonna give me a smile? Or are you just gonna have that blank look on your face? Okay, Bumbo. Out of your fat
Oh, no.
Out of your fat Bumbo seat. Oh, great. There goes my beautiful salad. Okay.
Sorry.
There's Anna Lila pretending to be happy.
Did you hear what he said? That you're pretending to be happy and you're... Oh!
Oh my God. That ain't funny, kid.
That's what you get.
No, that isn't what I get.
Don't do that.
Oh my gosh. We're going to have a talking to right now.
Oh my